I'll guide you through how to make money online for free. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. If you don't already have an account, sign up by entering your email and creating a password. Once you're in, type a prompt asking ChatGPT to write a script for your content idea. For example, write a YouTube script about how to grow on Instagram. Within seconds, you'll have a complete script ready to go. Next, visit onlin.io, a platform that turns your script into natural-sounding voiceovers. Choose a voice style you like, paste your script, adjust the settings if needed, and generate the audio. After that, open your video editing software. I'm using CapCut in this example, but any editor works. Import your visuals and the voiceover, add music, effects, and make any edits you want. Then, export your final video. Now, upload your content to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. For YouTube monetization, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And that's it. You're ready to create and earn with AI.